Okay, so here is a question today. In this video we're going to do a very simple math problem, and you're going to be surprised that many of you are actually going to get this wrong. So I don't want you to use your calculator, because here is the problem. We have 5 minus 5 times 5 and minus 5. And of course most of you out there like, yes, I can handle this problem, this is basic subtraction, basic multiplication, and I learned this stuff in school and I can easily solve it. So let's go ahead and write your answer in a comment. What do you think is the correct answer, A, B, C, and then we will check our answer in the end of the video. So go ahead and put your answer into the comment section, and I'm going to show you the correct answer here in just 1 minute, and I swear it will be really interesting. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. So what is the main obvious and main popular, main common mistake right here? So I read this problem once more. So 5 minus 5 times 5 and minus 5. Yeah, so here is the problem. So what is the main popular mistake right here? A lot of students say, okay, this is 5 minus 5, which is really great because they say this is equal to 0, which is absolutely correct. But 5 minus 5, they say, okay, this is 0, which is absolutely correct. But then they want to multiply it and they say, okay, the answer is 0, option A, and this is answer. But then I answer them, okay, this is absolutely incorrect answer, because obviously whatever order you select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. And I want to answer them, okay, this is absolutely incorrect order of operation. And then I show them, okay, this is PMDMC order right here, and let's solve this according to this PMDMC order. So we have the first step, we have parentheses right here, exponent, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. This is PMDMC order, yeah? So let's start with this one. So first one, we have parentheses. Are there any parentheses right here? So no, I don't see any of those. We don't have parentheses. And moreover, I don't have any exponent right here. No squares, no cubes right here, no horsepower, which is really good, because this is hard when you have exponent, but we don't have this first two steps. So we have next multiplication division part. And I wanted to rewrite this problem. So 5 minus 5 times 5 and minus 5. So we have multiplication division part. I don't see any of division signs right here. So, but I see one multiplication sign, which is really great because we need to start with this multiplication at first. Yeah, so we need to start with this multiplication according to PMDMC order. So 5 times 5 equal to 25, and we'll have like minus 25. Yeah, so if we multiply it and we take this sign right here, we still have minus 5 in the end, and we will have 5 from the beginning because we have these elements right here. Okay, we skip this part, multiplication division, because we solved it with multiplication, and then we have addition and subtraction. This is a classic subtraction part from left to right, but if you know a little bit about math, this is really great trick, because you can easily subtract 5 and minus 5, or you can cancel it. This is like x minus x, yeah? So we still have like minus 25, and this is our answer according to PMDMC order. If you're talking about option C. And as you can see, option A is absolutely incorrect. But I want to write right here and the answer right here. So we'll have option C. This is minus 25. This is our correct answer. But what about this 0? It looks like correct, but it is absolutely incorrect. It sounds weird, but it looks like that. And why? How can we solve it? How can we get this 0? You need to put parentheses right here, yeah? So 5 minus 5, you put in brackets, because we need to start with parentheses. And if you want to get this 0, you need to put brackets right here, parentheses, and you will have like, okay, start with this subtraction 0 and start with this subtraction, which is equal to 0, yeah? So if you want to get this 0, you need to put brackets, but in our case, we don't have any brackets, so a correct answer is option C, 25. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Okay, now if you need to learn basic math or like pre-algebra concept, interesting brain test, IQ question, right? You can easily subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and thank you for your likes, for your subscribes. I really appreciate it. It helps me a lot. It inspires me a lot. Okay, I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematics adventure. Thank you for your time and have a great day.